Could it be said that you are searching at the new compound cost expectation engage? You're perfectly located. We'll investigate what the specialists need to say regarding compound's future presentation to address the inquiry, will comp go up from now on? Beneath you'll hear to discover a few master thoughts on the compound value expectation and where the market sees the crypto going in the following couple of years. Who is behind Compound? Compound originally came to the market in June 2020, 3 years after Compound Labs was established in 2017 by Robert Lesner and Jeffrey Hayes. Today, while both stand firm on senior footings in Compound Labs, control of how Compound is created is progressively in the possession of the convention's administration. A few financial backers have ventured to say that Compound launched the ongoing distraction with DeFi conventions, mostly in light of the fact that it was the first crypto to present the act of yield cultivating. What is Compound utilized for? Yield cultivating is the term used to depict the loaning or marking of crypto resources. The point of this is typically to acquire rewards, for instance, significant yields of extra cryptographic money tokens. It's occasionally otherwise called liquidity mining. Comp likewise works as an administration token. Clients with beyond what 100,000 comp can propose changes to the convention, while any client can decide on expected changes. Who utilizations Compound? Altogether, there are somewhat under 200,000 Compound locations, with 10,698 provided details regarding the Binance Savvy chain, 1,295 on the Gnosis chain, and a limit of 188,946 on the Ethereum blockchain. Specialized investigation of compounds. Comp value developments. Compound was at first sold at 1 comp to $34 in its ICO beginning coin offering in June 2020. Market cap began to follow the cost of comp on the 17th of June 2020 at $64.64. The following day, on the 18th of June 2020, comp recorded its most minimal cost, post-ICO, of $61.27. Compound cost expectation in 2021 began the year at $145.39, hit an unequaled high of $911.20 on the 12th of May, and finished the year at $200.29. Comp has a 52-week low of $94.13. Subsequent to beginning at $200 in 2022, compound cost followed the generally speaking crypto market negative development, progressively dropping to close the year at $30.68. Compound comp value forecast 2023 to 2030. As indicated by our point-by-point compound cost expectation, compound will reach $65 toward the finish of 2023 and $110.97 toward the finish of 2025. Compound value estimate will then, at that point, ascend to $278.77 in 2028 and $497.47 in 2030. To make the most reliable compound cost expectations for the present moment and long haul, we have thought about a few key elements. As one of the principal architects of the DeFi area, Compound is very much positioned to exploit the market. DeFi is the possibility that individuals ought to have the option to get to monetary administrations that aren't administered by enormous banks or organizations. However, the possibility of DeFi has been around for some time. The interest for DeFi administrations became quickly halfway through 2020. In addition to the fact that this implies that more individuals are probably going to go to decentralized contributions like Compound, since Comp goes about as a DeFi loaning convention, yet it can likewise capitalize on the interest for other DeFi resources. Any individual who holds the resources that Compound backings, there are at present 9 of them, can utilize the convention. Therefore, Comp can showcase its support of countless existing financial backers. As the DeFi area proceeds to develop and individuals search for elective acquiring and loaning arrangements, Compound is probably going to see more traffic. This will build the interest for Comp tokens and, subsequently, its cost. One more key element that can impact the cost of Comp is the degree of trust in the crypto market. Albeit the costs of various crypto resources can change fiercely, the market will in general move overall. When Bitcoin, BTC, rises, everything rises. At the point when Bitcoin falls, most other advanced resources crash as well. Elon Musk's remarks about the disastrous natural effect of Bitcoin caused disturbances all through the market, sending the cost of comp crashing from more than $900 to under $300. In any case, might the connection at some point debilitate from now on? Since comp tokens can't be mined, the convention doesn't utilize very as much energy as Bitcoin and is, hence, more harmless to the ecosystem. In spite of the fact that obviously changes should be made to guarantee the maintainability of digital currency, third-age cryptos, for example, compound may be better intended to endure this hardship over the long haul. The fundamental explanation compound has lost such a lot of significant worth following the 2021 bull run is a result of a significant bug that was found after a redesign. As Shraddha Sharma of Crypto announced back in October 2021, after the execution of Proposition 062, up to 490,000 comp was in danger of being lost, worth roughly $80 million at that point. While Bitcoin and other cryptos experienced new ATHs in November 2021, financial backers were escaping compound. It will require an investment for compound to re-procure the trust of financial backers, and this occurrence is possible why a few forecasters, like Wallet Investor, are negative on comp. To summarize, with the ongoing elements in play, compound can be viewed as a top momentary speculation, 1 year, or long-haul venture 5 to 10 years. Here are our compound cost expectations for 2023 to 2030. Compound value expectation 2023. 2023 will see compound urge more DeFi applications to send off on its foundation by putting resources into them by means of its depository. Our comp expectation for 2023 confirmed that a high of $65 is feasible. The low gauge for 2023 is $42, and compound can close the year at a typical cost of $53.5. Compound value forecast 2024. Further specialized upgrades in 2024 will make compound more interesting to less actually disapproved of clients, helping its client base. A further expansion in the cost of comp United States dollar will see the resource accomplish a normal of $72.20, and bullish force can convey the resource for a high of $86.54. A low of $57.87 is normal towards the start of the year. Compound value expectation 2025. 2025 will see the DeFi area and loaning area keep on extending, hauling the cost of compound up with it. Long-haul cost expectations for compound expect a top objective of $110.97, a low objective of $68.11, and a finish of year normal of $89.54 for 2025. This normal would liken to a 85% expansion starting around 2023. Compound value expectation 2026. By 2026 compound will offer a colossal wide range of coins to get and loan. Our comp expectation information demonstrates a most extreme cost of $154.44 and a base cost of $109.56 in 2026. Our compound cost expectation has decided a normal cost of $132 for the year. Compound value forecast 2027. Zeroing in on interoperability, compound will stretch out its administrations to a wide assortment of different chains by 2027. Our compound cost expectation gauges that comp United States dollar can achieve a high of $217.90 and hold solid with a low of $145.16. Comp forecasts express that it will accomplish a yearly normal of $181.53.